Welcome! We're reframing the concept of prepping away from fear and towards self-care and community resilience. This video is about looking at valuable life skills like gardening, mending, and purifying water as powerful tools for empowering your mental health. When you hear the word prepping, what usually comes to mind? Often it's a fear-based focus on stockpiling, bunkers, and isolating from others. We propose a different approach, prepping as building tangible, resilient skills that benefit your well-being and connect you to your community. This shift moves us from a mindset of passive fear to active empowerment and proactive mental health care. Instead of focusing on threats that lead to isolation, let's concentrate on building skills that foster confidence, connection, and real resilience. Learning a new, practical skill is an act of self-care. It grounds you, increases your self-efficacy, and provides tangible results that combat anxiety. Our first empowering skill is gardening. Tending to plants provides an incredible sense of grounding and growth. The act of growing your own food connects you to natural cycles, offers immediate, small successes, and is proven to reduce stress. This skill isn't just about food. It's about connecting deeply with nature, understanding the process of life, and fostering a sense of self-sufficiency. Next, let's talk about mending and repairing. This simple skill is a powerful counterpoint to consumerism. Mending clothes or household items forces mindfulness. It encourages you to slow down, focus on the details, and appreciate the value in what you already own. The satisfaction of repairing something is immensely gratifying. It combats feelings of inadequacy and wastefulness, improving your focus and sense of accomplishment. Finally, learning to purify and manage water is arguably the most foundational skill for any situation. Knowing how to safely source, filter, and purify water provides an immediate and profound sense of security. It's an empowering knowledge base. Mastering water purification builds incredible confidence in your ability to handle essential needs, replacing anxiety with capability. The greatest defense against uncertainty is not a bunker, but a strong community. These skills are meant to be shared. When you teach a neighbor to garden or help a friend mend a coat, you're not just sharing a skill, you're weaving a stronger, more resilient local fabric. Empower your life and your mind. Prepping is about living well now by gaining skills that make you feel capable, connected, and mentally resilient for whatever comes next.